Today we're going to be taking a look at the parking lot sale, and what we're going to focus on is this 30% off of all Icon, hammers, pry bars, and hex key sets, and that's coming up next year on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. So I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I'm interested in, and I wanted to break it down by video, a couple of things that I'm interested in with the parking lot sale this year. This time I want to go over the 30% off of all Icon, hammers, pry bars, and hex keys. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see on the screen here, I've already got the Icon 58-inch professional pry bar with a curved tip. That's going to be $99.99. Now, this is the only pry bar they have. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what this is going to be with the 30% off here real quick. And that's going to drop the price down to this, the $69.99. That is not a bad deal at all on this. Let's go ahead and click on it here real quick and see if we can get some specifications on it. Of course, they say may also like, and Pittsburgh has a bunch of them. Let's click on the specifications here real quick. There's your SKU number right there, your model number, the finish, and the shipping weight if you order it. And of course, it is 58 inches long. Let's move on and look at something else. Alright, now we're going to take a look at the Icon hammers here. And the first one we got is the 24-ounce ball peen dead blow hammer here. That one is $44.99, and we are going to subtract 30% off of that. And we are going to get that down to $31.49 on that one. Not a bad deal at all. Now next up here, we've got the 40-ounce ball peen hammer for $64.99, and we are going to subtract that and get our 30% off on that, and that's going to bring it down to $45.49 on that. Not a bad deal at all. I would like to have the heavier ones. This one is brand new like it says here, and once again on all of these, they are lifetime replacement if I didn't mention that. Now next up here, we've got the 32-ounce ball peen hammer. This one is $54.99, and this one is going to be with the 30% off. It's going to be at $38.49. Next up here, we got the 16-ounce one. This one's going to be $34.99. Take the 30% off of that, and that comes out to $24.49. Gotta love it. That's a pretty good deal right there. $10 off on that one. Next up here, we got the 48-ounce soft face hammers, which all these in this row are going to be soft face. Starting off with this one is going to be $32.99, and with the discount, it's going to be $23.09 on that. Not a bad deal at all. Then next up here, we've got the 24-ounce soft face dead blow hammer, $22.99 normally price. With the discount on this one, it's going to be $16.09. That is another great deal, getting it for under $20. Gotta love it. Then we got the 32-ounce dead blow hammer here. This one is $27.99, and with the 30% off, you're looking at $19.59. Another great deal to get one under $20. And then the final hammer we got here is the 16-ounce one. This one is going to be $19.99, and with a 30% off, you're looking at $13.99. That's probably going to be the best deal on it. Now, I want your guys' opinions down below on these 16 ounces. Would you guys buy either one of these? Would you buy the dead ball peen one, dead blow, or the soft face? To me, I would want a heavier one if you're asking me, but I'd like to hear a comment down below on what you guys would like. First up here, we got the Icon metric 8-piece set here. This is $39.99. With the discount, you're going to be looking at $27.99. Not a bad deal at all on that. We're going to click on it, and you can see right here, the one thing I like about these Icons is they got the bit right here. Other thing I like about them, lifetime warranty on them. Gotta love that. And what I want to do is come down to specifications here and see what all it comes with. It comes with a 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and a 10 millimeter. That is good to know on that. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next one we got here is the SAE set, and this one's 11-piece, so it's a little bit more. You're looking at $44.99. But the price on that on sale is going to be $31.49. Not a bad deal at all. And once again, I want to click on this. And of course, we got the lifetime replacement and everything on there. But I want to go to specifications here. Now this comes with 5/64s, 3/32, 7/64s, 1/8, 9/64s, 5/32, 3/16. Then you got 7/32, a quarter, 5/16, and 3/8 inch. That all comes with that. Not bad at all. Now we're going to look at the L-shaped ones here. They're going to be the same price from looking at these. They're both going to be $21.99, and you're going to be looking at $15.39 with the sale on these. Only difference is these ones are colored, then these ones are black. Let's go ahead and click on these and see what all comes with them. And of course these are also going to be lifetime replacement on it. So you can get the metric or the standard. Let's go down to specifications on this, see what all comes with. Now on this one we have 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on that. Then we're going to scroll back up here and check out the 8 SAE ones. And on those we got 0.05, and then we got a 1/16, then 5/64, 3/32, 7/64, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, a quarter, 5/16, and 3/8 all on that. Let's move on to the next one. Then the last ones here is going to be an 8-piece Torx bit set from Icon. These are going to be $39.99. With the 30% off, they're going to be $27.99. And we're going to click into here and see what sizes come on these. And just like all of the other ones, once again, they are lifetime replacement. Let's click on specifications here. Now with these you get a T10, a T15, a T20, a T25, a T27, a T30, a T40, and a T45. Not bad at all. Now that's going to be everything that's going to be 30% off on the all Icon hammers, pry bars, and hex key sets. So what I would like to know is, what are you guys excited about on this sale? To me, I would definitely snag up these different keys here. Mostly these three. The two right here, the standard and the metric, and the Torx. I would snag those up. I personally don't need them right now, so I'm going to hold off on it, but this would be a great time to snag it. And then, like I said, with the hammers, I would snag all the heavier ones. That is my personal preference on it, though. Leave a comment down below on what you would pick up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video here of going over what is 30% off on the Icon stuff during the parking lot sale that starts January 2nd for Inside Track, and then everybody else starts January 15th, which is a Friday, through that next Monday, which is January 19th. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Down there I have some affiliate links that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.